Hi children, welcome to another culture class. How are you all? Okay, nice. Today we are going to, in this term, today is the last class of culture class for this term. In this term நம்ம என்ன பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம், community helpers பற்றி பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். Community helpersலாம் யாருன்னு சொன்னேன், நம்ம neighborhoodல நம்ம வீட்டில் சேஃபாக வாழறதுக்கு you have people helping us to lead a comfortable life. Yes, comfortable safe life நம்ம லீட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு who are all helping us, they all are called as community helpers. நம்மளோட கம்யூனிட்டியில் நம்ம நெய்பர்ஹுட்டில் இருக்கிறவங்க நமக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறதுனால they are called as community helpers. Today I am having some cards. I am going to share you, we are just going to go through. திருப்பி நம்ம வந்து community helpers பற்றி கொஞ்சம் cards பார்க்கலாம். Then we will go on about the activity that we have in our workbook. Okay, let's just have a closer look. Come. The first one is that of the profession of a doctor. He is a doctor who treats people medically. Edavadhu illness, diseases edavadhu irundha, he treats the people. He also has a nurse nearby. Nurse, she assists the doctor. She helps the doctor and she also takes care of the patients when the doctor is not around. Every time doctor irukka matanga, they will go and look for other patients. This nurse will take care of the patient when the doctor is not around. Then we have a teacher. A teacher is a person who teaches English, maths, science to kids. School la paathirpinga illaya, like how Miss Juno and Miss Soundarya, we are teaching you. You have a teacher who teaches the kids. Okay, then you have a carpenter. A carpenter is a skilled person who makes furnitures or any other fittings out of wood. Woodல வந்து he makes furnitures. அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த ஜன்னல் கதவு வைக்கிறதுக்கு அந்த ஃபிட்டிங்ஸ்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதெல்லாம் he makes out of wood. Okay, then you have a scientist. A scientist again is a person who is skilled in it. அவங்க அதில் நிறைய படிச்சிருக்காங்க. To do many research on chemicals and other space related எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் they do the research. Medicines, vaccine, yeah. கொரோனா, இப்போ நமக்கு கொரோனாக்கு வேக்சினேஷன்ஸ் வந்துடுச்சுன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க இல்லையா, அந்த வேக்சினேஷன் கண்டுபிடிச்சது சயின்டிஸ்ட் தான். ஓகே, then you have an engineer. An engineer is a person who draws these blueprints. Okay, இந்த கையில் ஒரு சார்ட் இருக்கு இல்லையா, it's called as a blueprint. அதுதான் drawing of the building. சரியா, he draws it. He is also a skilled and qualified person. Anybody cannot become an engineer. Okay, he always wears yellow helmet. Then you have a hairstylist. Hairstylist is a person who trims and cuts our hair or styles our hair. Okay, then you have an electrician. An electrician is a person who works with this electrical fittings and the tube lights, bulbs and the wires allame helps with this electrical work. Okay, then you have a plumber. A plumber is a person who takes care of the water lines and the water pipes la irukku illaya veetla, he will take care of it. If you have any problem, you will have to call a plumber for fixing it. Then you have a farmer. Without a farmer we don't have any food, right? A farmer is a person who grows food crops for us. You might think மொத்தத்துக்குலாம் you need some specially qualified skill to become a farmer. அப்படி இல்லைன்னு கிடையாது. Though they are not educated, they are trained. அந்த ஒர்க் பண்ணியே they are skilled. அந்த ஸ்கில் அவங்க வந்து டெவலப் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. Anybody can do farming, but ஒரு farmer மாதிரி அந்த ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் போட முடிஞ்சால் மட்டும்தான் we also can become a farmer. Okay, then you have a watchman or a security person. A watchman or a security who takes care of the building or who takes care of the area during the night time or during the daytime. Night time la predominantly they work because thief யாருமே வந்து எதுவுமே பண்ணாமல் நம்மளை யாரும் அட்டாக் பண்ணாமல் they take care. Okay, then you have a vegetable seller. A vegetable seller is a person who sells vegetable. Farmers, they just grow these vegetables and fruits. Okay, these vegetable seller help us, they help us in bringing these vegetables and fruits to our doorsteps. நம்ம போய் farmer கிட்ட இருந்து வாங்க முடியுமா? You see the vegetable sellers bringing the carts இல்லையா? கார்ட்ல வந்து vegetables கொண்டு வந்து they keep selling it us, right? Okay, so vegetable sellers help us in bringing it out to our doorsteps. Then you have a shopkeeper, one of the most important community helper. You go to a shop, without a shopkeeper will you be able to buy anything? In India நம்ம ஏரியால shopkeeper is must. நம்ம போய் அவங்க கிட்ட என்ன பொருள் வேணும்னு கேட்டா they will give it to us, right? They also take care of billing. We pay the money to them, right? They give us back the change and they help us in putting all the products in a bag and they give it to us, right? Okay, then you have a chef. You want to take a break, you go to a hotel to have a variety of food. Whom do you think they cook the food for? These chefs could cook varieties of food for us, food items for us. Okay, tasty and sumptuous too. Then you have a firefighter or a fireman or a firefighters. They fight with fire. In case of any fire accidents, they go and they put out these fire. Okay, they also have a vehicle, I told you, right? A fire engine, you remember, which is loaded with water, and it also has sand bucket. It also has a ladder, rope, everything fully equipped for them to fight with the fire. Chariya? Then you have a librarian. I told you where library is a place where you find lot of books to go and read. You can also borrow. அங்கே இந்த புக்ஸ் வீட்டுக்கு எடுத்துகிட்டு வரலாம், இல்லை அங்கே உட்காந்து கூட நம்ம படிக்கலாம். This librarian is a person who is in charge of this library. அந்த புக்ஸ்லாம் நம்ம எடுக்கிறதுக்கு இன்கேஸ் ஏதாவது ஹெல்ப் வேணா, you don't know where a book is, நம்ம வீட்டுக்கு எடுத்துகிட்டு போகிறதுக்கு நமக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறது எல்லாமே this librarian takes care of the complete working of this library. Then you have an astronaut. An astronaut again is a person, a skilled, a trained, a well-educated person who does a research in the space. They go to the space and they does the research. விண்வெளின்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? They go to the space, sky மேலே அப்படியே they go there. They were the people to capture the photos and with the help of satellites. They show us the pictures of earth எப்படி இருக்குன்னு நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்குறோம் இல்லையா? அதுக்கெல்லாம் they are very helpful. You have another set. Please wait. Another set is like one of the important community helper is a policeman or a policewoman. Okay, they help us to be safe around. எந்த யாராவது திருட்டு நடக்காம, எந்த பெரிய பிரச்சனைகள் நமக்கு நடக்காம, they take care of us. Then you have a mason. வீடு கட்டுறதுக்கு this mason is more important, right? வீடு கட்டும்போது you would have seen. Okay, then you have a housemaid. Housemaid is a person who takes care of the house, like our Lakshmi auntie who takes care of us when we are in school. Restroom போறதுக்கு, நம்ம floor neat-ஆ இருக்கிறதுக்கு, materials clean-ஆ இருக்கிறதுக்கு. Yes, அதே மாதிரி housemaid வந்து takes care of the house, washing the vessels, sweeping, okay, wiping the floor, எல்லாமே பண்ணுறதுக்கு she is helpful to us. Then you have a musician or a person who plays musical instruments. Idhila she is playing guitar. They are well versed. They are learned to play some musical instruments. நமக்கு ஒரு entertainment or fun யார் கொடுப்பா? Musical instruments. Okay, fine. Now you all know the names of these occupation, right? In case there is any problem, வீட்டில் வந்து say for example தண்ணி குழா உடஞ்சிருச்சு, there is a problem, you have to go and remind, you have to go and talk to your grandmother, grandfather, father or mother telling there is a problem in the water line, let's call a plumber. Okay, நம்ம இனிமே அவங்க occupation name வச்சு கூப்பிட, let us learn slowly. Now we all know the names of these community helpers. Let us call their names of by their profession. Okay, now it's time for us to open our workbook, and we just have 3 pages to do. Easy peasy, as Miss Juno used to say, easy peasy lemon squeezy matching thing. Are you all ready? Come, go to page number 16 and you have to match the person with their place of work. இந்த ப்ரொஃபஷனல்ஸ்லாம் எந்த பிளேஸில் அவங்க அவங்களுடைய ஒர்க் பிளேஸ் எங்கே இருக்கோ அதை பார்த்து யூ வில் ஹாவ் டு மேட்ச். திஸ் இஸ் அ போஸ்ட்மேன் ஆர் அ மெயில்மேன். போஸ்ட்மேன், வேர் டு அ போஸ்ட்மேன் ஒர்க்? நீங்கள் எங்கே போய் உங்களுடைய இன்கேஸ் வீட்டுக்கு வர முடியல, நீங்கள் வேறு எங்கே போய் அந்த போஸ்டெல்லாம் கலெக்ட் பண்ணுவீங்க? இங்கேருந்து யூ ஹாவ் டு சர்ச். ஒரு ஹேர் ஸ்டைலிஷ் ஷாப்லையா, ஏர்போர்ட்லையா, ஆர் இன் அ போஸ்ட் ஆஃபீஸ்? ஸ்டாப். Right, a postman works in a post office. So draw a line. Then you have a picture of a hairstylist. Are you able to see clearly? Na kaam chaliye po hairstylist. Where does a hairstylist work? Stop. Yes, he works in a barber shop. It is called he is also called as a barber, but now in modern terms, ipo recent we call him as hairstylist. Okay va? Then you have a chef. Wow, this chef is preparing some wonderful delicious food here. Where will he do it? Airport liya, post office liya, or will he do it in his kitchen? Yes, in his kitchen. So draw a line. Then you have a pilot. A pilot is a person who flies an airplane or a helicopter. Where do you think he works? Where do you think he goes off to his work? Yes, he works in a airport. So draw a line. Now we'll move on to the next page. Now go to page number 17. We'll have to do the same activity. You see some professionals here. You are, or the person, the name, you have to find out the name of their occupation and you have to match it to their place of work. Where do they work? Avanga workplace enga irukku. Shall we start? Who is he? He is a doctor. Where do you think? It's not the matter of thing. Where does a doctor work? School liya, or in a supermarket, or in a hospital? Very good. A doctor works in a hospital. So draw a line. Then you have a teacher teaching maths. Where does a teacher teach? Nowadays it is online, but generally where do you go to learn maths, science and English? To a school. Where is the picture? Here is a picture of a school. So draw a line. Then you have a picture of a policeman. Where does a policeman work? In a supermarket, or in a school, hospital, or in a police station? Police station. Very good. Now draw a line. Then finally you have a cashier. A cashier is a person who you'll be seeing in supermarkets or in a big shops, who will be collecting cash from you for the products you buy. Money. That's called as cash. Cash நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Money. பைசா, நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற பைசாவை, நீங்கள் வாங்குகிற பொருளுக்கு கொடுக்குற பைசாவை கலெக்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு he will give you the bill back. ஒரு பேப்பர் கொடுப்பார் இல்லையா, அந்த பில் நமக்கு திருப்பி கொடுக்குறது தான் is called as a cashier. Where does a cashier work? School liya, in a supermarket liya? Yes, he works in a supermarket. So draw a line. We have now come to the last worksheet for today, as well as the last page for this book also. Wow, so we have completed this book. With the end of this term, this book is also getting over. In this activity you have to match with the same profession. Na enna, rendu perum ore vela dhaan seivanga. You have to identify that and identify the person doing the same job, and you have to draw a line. ஒரே வேலை செய்கிறவங்களை கண்டுபிடிச்சி, shall we try drawing a line? Shall we do this exercise? Okay, what does the person do? You see a person working in a garden. Yes, a person working in a garden. You see some plants and you have a water can here. Yes, so he is called as a gardener. A gardener is a person who works in a garden. Okay, now shall we see, where is the other person? Where is the other gardener on this side? Is he a gardener? Gardener, stop. Yes, there is another gardener working in a garden. So what you will do? You will draw a line. Sorry, my line is quite slanted. Then you have a dentist. A dentist is a person, I told you, right, who takes care of our teeth and our mouth problem. Any problem you have with your teeth or inside your mouth, dentist helps you in getting it treated. Shall we see another? Shall we look for another dentist and match it? Is he a dentist? Dentist? Stop. You are right. Just draw a line. Then you have a person. A girl, what does she do? She is painting something. You see some person who is painting, who has a profession. Avanga paint pandradha avanga velaye. Not on the walls. Cheriya, they paint using this easel board. It is called as an easel board. In the easel board they paint pictures. Cheriya, using colors. Adallam. Cheriya, inge vandu she is not painting it on a wall. But வீட்டில் வந்து நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி போர்டில் வச்சு சார்ட்லலாம் பேப்பர்லலாம் பண்ணும்போது we call them as an artist. பெயிண்டர்னு பொதுவாக சொல்ல முடியாது. we call them as an artist. இதுவே a person when they paint on walls, okay, wall வீட்டில் நம்ம செவுர்லலாம் பெயிண்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க இல்லையா, they are called as painters. There is a difference. சரியா, they do the same work but the place of work is different. அவ்வளோதான். ஓகே, இந்த ஆர்டிஸ்ட்டுக்கு மேட்ச் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இங்கே வேறு யாராவது பெயிண்டர் இருக்காங்களா பார்க்கலாமா? ஸ்டாப். The painter has a paint brush, a rolling brush on his hand. We will go ahead and draw a line. Then finally you have a doctor treating a dog. Okay, a doctor who treats animals, he is called as a veterinary doctor. In short you call them as vets. Okay, vet. Shall we go ahead and see another doctor, any other doctor treating any other pet? Vet, rhyming irukalla. Okay, stop. Oh, I found it here, so I am going to draw a line. So don't forget to do these matching exercises, and the pages you have to work are 16, 17 and 18. Just 3 pages. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, fine. I'll meet you in another term. Until then, anyway, you all keep coming to school. I'm meeting you in person, but still through this video I'll meet you in another term. Okay, until then, bye.